YouTube channel. So friends, today I will teach you the recipe of broccoli vegetable. You can see I have taken broccoli, some radish, some tomatoes, sugar beets, green chili and some peas here. So this vegetable will make you very fit and healthy. You must take this vegetable in your diet. So let's start the video.
First of all, wash all the vegetables and chop them well. After that, put a little oil or refined in the pan. When the oil is heated well, then put peas in it and add a little salt so that the peas cook well. Remember that you have to cook the vegetable half boil only. After that, add broccoli in it and stir the vegetable well. Cover the vegetable for a while. After a while, remove the lid and put the rest of vegetables in it. You have to add tomatoes in the last. Stir the vegetable well and cover it for a while. When you feel that your vegetable is half boiled, then mix tomatoes in it and cook the tomatoes for a while. Friends, this vegetable is very tasty and healthy. You must eat it. When your vegetable is ready, after that add chopped coriander to it. This will increase the taste of your vegetable. This recipe is very simple and easy. You must try it. When the vegetable is cooked, then you can add a little pepper powder or garam masala on top and stir the vegetable well. The vegetable is ready. Now it's time to taste it.
Wow, it's so good. Friends, it's so healthy and good. So you must try this recipe at your home. Hope that you like this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.